Yo, I got a package. I wonder what's in it.
Baby girl, we started from the bottom, now we on top of the globe. Yeah, yeah. Can you see the world? Yeah, yeah.
Really? Another box. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, I got a little tripod like the one I already had. Cute, cute, cute. SD card holder. Yes, yes. SD card. Another SD card. And last but definitely not least, boy. So this is the Canon G7x Mark II, and this is a well-known vlogging camera that many vloggers use and that I now am going to use. Of course, it has a flip-up screen and it has a screen that you can pull back, like for shots, like if I'm shooting on the ground or maybe I'm shooting up, you know, easy access for me. I ordered the international version, which I was a little weary about doing, but so far so good. I paid about $500 for this camera. I'm gonna put it to the test and see what type of shots we get and if we like it. So here we go. So now that I look a little more presentable, so today I just made my to-do list, and I try and make one every day so that I have a priority list, not a to-do list, a priority list, so that I know what I need to get done versus what, you know, I could do. What do you need to get done today here? Today I need to do Rebecca's interviews. I filmed her videos while we were at Wildin' Out, so I need to edit them and send them to her. And then I need to wash it back because I'm going to see CJ this weekend. Because guys, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Or if you're single, happy Wednesday. It's hump day. I look like a potato. Guys, that's Professor McSwain. He has the Black Girl Magic sticker on his laptop, aka mine. He's altering my assignment so that later on he can say that I didn't do it right. This is proof that he is doing it. That was a shade. I think that was shade.
To go, like you.
Oh, yay!
Because it was only like $60 on Amazon.
You need to fix on it so that you don't have a weird ticking noise when you record. I will send you the instructions when I get
Please.
it. Like, you have the screen like kind of flip. Yeah.
Ooh.
Do I look like I have a peanut head? Oh, and
What
there's
is
a
this?
zoom like here
Oh.
too.
Ooh. Ooh.
Are you in my grill? I see it in my glasses. You are definitely in my grill.
It's annoying that you gotta hear the clicking noise when you zoom your vlogging camera.
Yeah.
Are you gonna post this video online? Am I gonna be famous?
Yep. You already are.
I know, I got like 5 followers because of you.
Wow.
It was
that's
crazy.
Great.
I was like, wow.
That is wonderful and fantastic. I need to fill up my water bottle. Well, I didn't take my medicine.
Oh, you're not drinking soda no more again? Hmm.
I told you. It's only because I had a headache.
She drank soda 7 times and had a headache 7 times in 2 days then.
I had a headache the whole time we was in there.
And
I was just talking about someone. I never know.
Oh well, there we go. I fixed it.
As you can tell, I have upgraded the quality of my camera. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. It wasn't much, it was just me during the fun days. Fun parts of my day. I'm really just chilling. I gotta take something to somebody and then I'm eating dinner with my friends. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, I already know what to do.